Hey everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. Today I am going to be reviewing for you this succulent crochet amigurumi kit. I was sent this kit by Crochetta, which is the company that makes it. They sent me two of them. So I have opened up one and made something and tried out all the supplies. And this one I have to give away to one lucky viewer. If you are not the lucky one to win it and you would like to purchase this kit for yourself, it is available to purchase on Amazon. The purchase link can be found in the description below this video. So let's take a look at what is inside. So we will open up this kit and see what is inside. So first we have a bag of tools. This is a set of scissors that I did use and found were decent but not amazing. There's a little package of 8 safety eyes, so you have 2 for each of the amigurumi in this kit. There are 2 2.5mm crochet hooks, so you have extra. And then there are 4 locking stitch markers in here and a tapestry needle. Well, this one's a little bit sharp, not just for weaving in ends, but also for sewing your pieces together. So those are the tools. Then we have the yarn that comes with the kit. So let's take a look at what is in here. This little skein, it's so cute, isn't it? This little skein of white yarn is just for practice, so that if you're brand new to crochet, you can use this as you're figuring out how to do it. And then you have kind of this off-white. This is used for some of the pots. Brown can also be used for some of the pots for the amigurumi. Green for the leaves. Black, pink, yellow, and dark brown. So you can see on the box here that the black is used to embroider like the mouth and eyelashes if you want them. The pink is used in these places. Of course, green for all of these, and then you have 2 choices of colors for the pots, and then the dark brown is the dirt inside. So that is the yarn. And this yarn, I should say, is fairly soft. I found when I worked with it that it did split quite a lot, but I don't know. I didn't find it frustrating to work with, so I think you'll be fine on that, unless you are just super sensitive to split a yarn. And this is poly-fil stuffing, which was fine. And then there are 2 booklets. This one is beginning crochet instructions, so that if you are pretty new to crochet, you might find helpful information in here to teach you. I feel like these instructions, and then there's also a QR code on the back for some tutorial videos. I feel like if you have never crocheted at all, you're probably going to want some additional help to go with the instructions. However, if you've already had some instruction, then these will be helpful reminders if you're still somewhat new to crochet. And then this book has the instructions, the pattern instructions for each of the pieces. And then again, there are QR codes inside of here to take you to helpful videos. So that is everything you will find inside of your crochet kit. Like I said, I was given 2 kits, and I opened up one of them and decided to make the first project that was in the booklet, which I think was called like small succulent potted plant, I think is what they called it. So here is mine. I think it turned out pretty cute. There's this one little piece inside, which were like some little leaf buds, and then there were 3 small leaves and 5 larger leaves, and the little dirt in here and the pot. Those were all of the pieces. And I felt like mine turned out pretty good. I felt like the written instructions were, well, they were not in US standard formatting, but I mean, not everyone is American, so that's understandable, but they were in a very like common format that I've seen for amigurumi patterns, and they were easy to understand. Every round had a stitch count, so I feel like if you are familiar with pattern instructions, you won't have any problems following the instructions to make this. Some of these really little pieces were a little bit finicky to work with, and I feel like if you are brand new to crochet, you might find it a little bit difficult to figure out where to stick your hook. But if you're already really comfortable knowing where to put your crochet hook, you shouldn't have any problem with those pieces. The safety eyes were easy to put on. I didn't need any tools for those. And then I just put the little mouth on. I actually used sewing thread instead of the yarn, but either way you can embroider the mouth on with either of those. You might be wondering, what do I need to know before starting this kit? I think that if you have a local teacher to help you, you don't need to know anything ahead of time. If there's somebody that can sit by you and help you with it, then I think you'll be good to just get this kit and start on it right away. And that could be a fun project to do together with someone, you know, a close friend or family member. If you do not have anyone local to help you, I recommend that before beginning this kit, you learn basic crochet stitches, and at the top right of your screen, you should find a little information card with a link to where you can learn basic crochet stitches. There is also a link in the description for that. And also, I suggest that you learn how to work in the round first. And again, top right of your screen, there should be an information card to a tutorial for that. And again, a link in the description for where you can learn how to work in the round. Now, who is this kit for? The kit itself says that it's for beginners. I recommend this kit for confident beginners. Like I said, I think that you're gonna have an easier time with this if you've already learned a few basics first. The basic crochet instructions inside can be a good reminder if you're still newish to crochet. I think if you've never crocheted at all, you're probably going to find this a little bit frustrating unless you have a helper with you. So if you're a confident beginner, you already feel like you know how to do the single crochet stitch, you already know how to work in the round, you already know where to stick your hook, you're good to go. You'll enjoy this kit. A brand new crocheter that has outside help available. If you are a more experienced crocheter but you've never tried amigurumi before, this would be a perfect way to get started with amigurumi. So it'd be a good choice for that. If you already enjoy amigurumi, you're all set. This is going to be a fun kit for you. Or if you are a crocheter that wants to teach someone else, this could be fun for you to get this kit and work on it together, where you can help teach them things along the way. To wrap up, there is going to be a giveaway for this kit. You can enter that on my website. There should be a little information card at the top right of this video where you go enter on my website. There's also a link for that in the description below this video. If you are not the winner and you would like to purchase, there is an affiliate link for where you can purchase this on Amazon in the description below this video. And I think that is all. So I hope you all have a lovely day, and be sure to visit my site and enter to win. Thanks.